proud of who I am. But they won't let my secret go untold. I paid the bet I owed them, but they're still not satisfied. Now I'm a branded man out of the cold. When they left me out of prison, I held my head up high, determined I would rise above the shame. But no matter where I travel, the black mark follows me. I'm branded with a number on my name. I'd like to hold my head up and proud of who I am, but they won't let my secret go untold. I paid